My name is Shoyemi Olushola, MMM participant from Osun State, Nigeria. Student of ongoing batch 116, School of Guardian. I'm here to present and talk about MMM ideology. MMM ideology. MMM community was created by Sergio Mavrodi in order to fight against the unfair, unjust, and inhuman financial system of the world, which only makes the rich richer and the poor become poorer. What do we understand by MMM? Mavrodi Mondial Movement, a global community of financial aids and donation exchange. 2. It gives a technical platform which helps millions of participants worldwide to connect to those who need help, to those who are ready to provide help at their own free will. It has no central account. We don't send our money to MMM. Instead, we transfer and send our donation directly to the beneficiary account. There is no law that states that donation is illegal. Therefore, it is not a bank, business, investment, nor a company, but a community of helpers. How MMM works? MMM is a community of people ready to render financial assistance based on the principle of gratitudinous, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM creates a financial platform where we won't need to go to the bank or any financial institution to borrow money before our needs can be attended to. MMM targets at seeing ordinary people smiling again and not shying away from their financial responsibility anymore. There are no lenders or debtors. Its idea is very simple. One participant asks for help and another one provides the help. The only thing that MMM demands from its community participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You get financial assistance when you need it, and you provide financial assistance when you are able to do it. Rules of MMM. In MMM, people are expected and allowed to have only one account. Multiple accounts are prohibited. We must be honest and fair to all. If discovered, you will be blocked. We must only be responsible for our own single account. Do not click on the "I refuse to make payment" more than once in a month. If otherwise, you will be blocked. Do not fail to upload proof of payment after every deposit. Failure to do so leads to blockage. Letter of happiness is important after every successful get help. Failure to do so within 72 hours leads to blockage. All participants should be more cautious and obedient enough to obey the MMM ideology, which is helping one another. We must follow the ideology to obtain financial freedom and must help each other for the longevity of the system. Benefit of MMM. After you provide help, you can get 30% growth per month from the amount you provided as help, and you can get bonus. That means registration bonus from your first provided help, which range from 20 USD to 100 USD. You can also get 10% referral bonus of the amount provided by each of your invitees, also known as downlines. You are a manager, guider. You can get, if you are a manager, guardian, you can get manager bonus depending on the following levels: 5% from the second level, 3% from the third level, 1% from the fourth level, 0.5% from the fifth level, 0.3% from the sixth level, 0.1% from the 7th level, 0.05% from the 8th level, 0.03% from the 9th level, and 0.01 from the 10th level to infinity. After you get help, you make a video of your successful get help. Aside from the letter of happiness, you are given 5% of the total amount of you get help, and if you decide to use a voice record, you will be given 3% of total of help you get. So what are you still waiting for? Be a part of community, and together we can change the world.